Foreign Exchange Management Act. The object, FEMA Act, consolidate and amend the law relating to the foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is nothing but when we are purchasing, when we are earning some foreign currencies, when we are selling our goods, the money will come to your in foreign earnings. It will come. It will be called foreign exchange. Suppose we are also importing the oil, for that we have to pay the money in foreign exchange. So what will happen? There is both earnings and expenditure will take into effect. Now, after the liberalization of the economic liberalization from 1992, there are a lot of changes has affected in the Indian economy, which enables that country is having a huge foreign exchange resources. Earlier, it was there, we used to pledge our gold for getting the foreign exchange. Because we are supposed to import the oil from, for that we have to pay the foreign exchange. Indian currency, we are not supposed to pay the Indian currency in the foreign for importing oil. So once you are earning is that then only it is possible for you to pay the money. That is why earlier it is FERA is there. FERA has been changed to FEMA now. 1999 the FEMA Act came. Facilitating external trade and payments. This is the object of this act. Next, promoting the orderly development, facilitating trade and payments. Trade and payments. Promoting orderly development and maintenance of foreign exchange market in India. Promoting the orderly development and maintenance of foreign exchange market in India. Actually, foreign exchange market means it is also depends on the demand supply market. When the demand and supply, it will each country is having their own currency value will be there. It will be each country's currency value will be valued at our currency value. Suppose dollar is that the dollar value is 45 rupees, 46 rupees, like that it will come. So it again reflects that country's earning capacity, and if the huge resources are there, that dollar rate will come down. 45 rupees, if you are having a huge foreign exchange, our rate will be 10 rupees or 12 rupees, like that. Now the foreigner USA people, they are coming here, they are $1 if they are paying, it is equivalent to 45 rupees of our Indian currency. $10 if they are paying, they are just go to the any restaurant, they are paying only $10. They are just eating and coming back. Whereas we are spending huge money because of our value of the currency is very less. Their value is because they are developed countries, we are a developing countries. That is the one reason. It is for that what we have to do. We need to more do the exports, earn the exchange, and moreover we are not supposed to import the things. Importing of oil is the main consumption for Indian economy. If we are reducing that Indian import of oil, then it will reduce. That is why they are telling that ethanol we have to use. Ethanol we are using 10% of the using. We will reduce the foreign exchange expenses maximum by 50%. That we are, because of the sugar mafia group, they are not allowing that using the ethanol. That is one reason we are paying a huge money. Nowadays the gas also, now it came that Mukesh Ambani has created the huge supply of gas. It is a huge foreign exchange earning for the government. So that is, these are the things we need to regulate. That is why what happens, that this is also like that stock market trading. Morning when you want to buy something, you have to buy. And that is why what happens, the Tirupur and other things, when they are exporting the Tirupur, when they are exporting their materials, they used to take the spot cover for that foreign exchange. You will see that whatever the rate, that same rate they have to give. Suppose 45 rupees they are fixing, tomorrow it will come down to 39 rupees, they are going to lose that foreign exchange, the 6 rupees they will lose. That's why they used to cover up that cover in foreign exchange cover they used to take. That foreign exchange cover there. That is why the foreign exchange market regulating the market is coming. And most volatile foreign exchange market in India. Morning it will come one figure and another 1 hour it will show another things. Huge loss happened. And another thing is the exchange loss. You have to mention in the balance sheet. Whatever the exchange loss, it is a notional loss only, but no, it is a loss, but you have to mention in the balance sheet. Huge foreign exchange loss. And the applicability of the FEMA, you have to see. Whole India it is applicable. And it covers all branches, officers and agencies outside India owned and controlled in Some of the act you can see Jammu Kashmir is exempted. Some of the act it is specifically mentioned. It is not applicable to Jammu and Kashmir, Mizoram, Nagaland like that.